Welcome to Collectible Motorcar of Atlanta. If you guys like car content, go ahead and hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we're all the time coming out with great content on unique cars just like this 1985 Chevrolet C10. And this is not your typical C10 that you see online. This one has had a full off-frame restoration, and the gentleman that did the paint and body work on this, you might as well call him Michelangelo because, guys, he absolutely did an amazing job on this paint. I don't even know if the camera is picking up how nice and straight this truck is, but guys, everything on this truck has either been refurbished or has been bought brand new. Absolutely beautiful. It's a mirror finish black paint, and if you guys know anything about black, you know that it's hard to get right. And this truck is everything that you would want. It checks every box. It's absolutely beautiful. The wheels shine perfectly. The frame's all painted. All the wiring's been replaced on it. It's got a 5.7 drop by Beltec. Guys, just an absolutely amazing truck. With that being said, let's get started up here on the front. You do have your 85 Chevrolet grille here. Brand new bumpers that shine like nothing else. As we work down the side of here, I really love the trim here that goes around the wheel well. You've got like a brushed stainless look with a black painted line in the middle. It just fits the truck perfectly. You've got your 20-inch American racing wheels with your brand new disc brakes up front. Everything, like I said, on this truck is brand new, down to the suspension, ball joints, tie rods. Everything's brand new. You got your Silverado C10 badge there on the side of the fender. Mirrors, all your weather stripping, everything on this truck is new. Check out your door gaps here. They're even all the way down on both sides, nice and straight, just like they should be. Check out this door, shuts excellent. Man, love the sound of that. That's just awesome. As we look at the back of the cab here, you do have one-piece window, so no sliding glass or anything like that. I personally like the solid window, just a cleaner look. As we look down the side of the bedside here, super, super clean. I look down the side of the truck, all your body lines line up perfectly. This truck is laser straight, and in this business, you gotta be careful using that terminology, but on this truck, I don't have to worry about this. This truck is laser straight. Got your American racing wheel here in the back. Tires are brand new. We'll work our way to the back of the tailgate here. Bumpers are brand new. Your bumper back here is brand new. Excellent condition. It's got a beautiful shine to it. All your trim, everything on the truck is brand new. I know I keep saying that, guys, but I have to get that point across to you because this truck is absolutely beautiful. It's better than it was when it came off the showroom floor. Absolutely beautiful. We'll take a look at the bed back here. Even your bed's been painted. There's not a dent or anything in the back of this bed. It is absolutely perfect. Just a beautiful truck, guys. I've been doing this now for about 6 years, and I'll have to say this is absolutely the nicest C10 truck, period, out of any generation that I have personally seen as far as the fit and finish of the truck. This is absolutely beautiful. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and check out the engine up front. All right, guys, let's take a look at this awesome built 355 Chevy small block underneath here. You've got the Chevy air breather and matching valve covers on this. You got Hedman long tube headers. You've got a Holley EFI system on here to make it fuel injected to give you that reliability that you want. You also have the Holley front runner system here on the front for all your pulleys and your AC. Guys, check out this engine bay. I mean, absolutely beautiful. You've got a black anodized aluminum radiator with electric fans. This engine bay looks brand new. Just absolutely beautiful, guys. It's very tastefully done. Check out the bottom of the hood here. You've got that new hood cover there. Just absolutely, absolutely beautiful. Awesome, awesome truck, guys. But with that being said, let's go ahead and move to the interior and check out what that's all about. All right, guys, check out the interior on this 1985 C10. It's absolutely beautiful, and there's one reason for that is everything in this truck has been replaced. Everything. I'm talking from the carpet up to the headliner. Everything in here is brand new. You got Dakota digital gauges, retro sound radio, ice cold AC in here. All your glass is brand new, all the way down to the wing windows. Door panels are new, power locks, power windows. Everything on this truck fully loaded, guys, even down to the bench seat, nice and comfortable, new material on here, just absolutely beautiful. And guys, this is a investor grade vehicle. So if you're not wanting to invest in the stock market, this would be the vehicle that you want to get because this one's only going to climb in value and trucks are super hot right now. But with that being said, guys, let's go take this one for a short little drive. All right, guys, we're out driving in this beautiful 1985 Chevrolet C10 Silverado, and this baby drives beautiful, tracks straight down the road. Overall, just an amazing truck, guys. I can't get that across. I know sometimes on video, these trucks and cars don't come out as nice as they do in person. This truck is absolutely fantastic. Not only does it look good, but it drives good. And this 355 has got some power. If you're not careful, it'll spin the tires on you. But guys, overall, the glass is crystal clear. There's no chips. The gauges work properly. Everything works like it should. You have the retro sound radio here, and you have good power. Woo! That 355, man, that thing runs good. You just can't beat a small block Chevy. Brakes feel solid on this truck. Everything, steering's tight. There's no sloppiness in the steering. Suspension rides good. Truck doesn't bottom out when you hit bumps. Guys, this truck drives better than a brand new 2023 Silverado, and I mean that. I just wish you guys could really feel how good this truck feels through the video. But guys, with that being said, let's go ahead and head back to the shop so I can show you how nice this is on the bottom. All right, guys, we're back from the drive and we're underneath the 85 C10. And guys, this truck is absolutely beautiful. Everything is painted black to keep it nice and uniformed under here. We'll start up front here. You got the bottom of your core support here. Nice, clean. You got your sway bar. Everything's painted black. You got your cross member here and it's painted black. This is a 5.7 drop and it's lowered with spindles and springs. You do have Beltec shocks here as well. As we work our way back here, you do have your shorty headers that come down into 2-inch exhaust here. Really nice and clean. You do have an X-pipe back here as well. You've got a 700 R4 transmission with a TCI pan on here. Overall, just super, super clean truck. The floor pans are nice and clean. They're all painted black, and it's not done in that bed liner material. Not a huge fan of that. I'd much rather have a nice, clean paint on there versus having like a undercoating on there. But guys, frame is all nice and painted. All your wiring is done nice and neat on here. You do have a new tank over here on this side for your EFI system. So it's got the Walbro pump and everything in it. As we work our way back, you do have MagnaFlow mufflers here that gives this truck a really good sound. You do have a flip kit here to get your 7 inches of drop in the back as well. And it is C-notched, so it is done properly. You don't have to worry about hitting the bump stops every time you hit a bump. But guys, overall, this truck is absolutely beautiful. I am fighting every urge in my body not to buy this truck myself. But guys, if you're interested in this one, give us a call at 770-738-7111. Or you can go to our website and see the description and all the pictures that we have on this truck at collectiblemotorcarofatlanta.com. But with that being said, guys, if you like car content like this, hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel because we've got more good stuff coming. With that being said, though, we'll catch you on the next one.